Hi there. Do you know that you can break into 100K to 200K plus tech job in less than 90 days? I mean, becoming a cybersecurity analyst without any tech background or college degrees. Yes, you can hear me right. My name is Professor Temi Akinwumi. I've been in tech for 30 years, and I'm the CEO of my IT university. We're a tech company located in Maryland, and we're global. We've been globally recognized with multiple awards from Congress, Senate, United Nations, Maryland Governor, counties, and other associations for giving back to the community and empowering the community for more than 17 years. Our classes are live. We have live coaches, live support, mentorship, nurturing for you. It's not one of those courses that you go and nobody cares and they throw you out. We don't ever throw you out. You're going to be in the community for a lifetime. And we're here to guide you, to support you, to make sure you can achieve your tech goals. Right now, we've mentored over 1,000 plus engineers into tech, and we're here to guide you and to make sure you can also reach your goal in breaking into tech. Let's go. Let's make it happen for you. Make sure you schedule a call with me, and I'm going to make it happen. Or attend our upcoming webinar. Click on the link down here and we'll make it happen. Thank you. I look forward to seeing you. Let's make it happen this year. Do not procrastinate. You can break into 100K to 200K tech job in less than 90 days. Yes, I said it. And you're hearing it right here from me, Professor Temi Akinwumi. Thank you so much. Please watch this testimonial from one of my students.
Hello, my name is Tutu. I am a mentee under Professor Tammy, and I just wanted to share with you all how Miss Tammy changed my life. I connected with her through Facebook, and I was reluctant at first because it sounded too good to be true, but I'm here to tell you it's not. There's no gimmick, there's no scam. She literally changed my life and opened the gateway into getting into the tech and software industry. Technology is the future, and Miss Tammy helped me with that. I took her certified authorization professional course and her CompTIA training course in Security Plus. I was offered plenty of jobs after that, and she has mentored me. She's still currently mentoring me, and she's a great instructor. She's very patient. She helped me opening up my doors into the technology and software industry. The courses are non-technical, and I took her courses, and I was offered a high earning income job before I even finished the classes. I also took her CYSA CISA Plus class for vulnerability management, along with the certified authorization professional certification and the CompTIA Security Plus. And I'm here to tell you Miss Tammy has been really great. I'm still taking her courses to advance my skills, and I've known Miss Tammy now for over 5 years, and she has saved my life from economic distress. So Miss Tammy, thank you so much for everything you've done in my life. I really love you. You have saved my life. God bless you. And you're awesome. Miss Tammy treats everybody like family. She treats you like her own child. She treats you like her family. And she's very patient, very thorough. And she's always going to guide you and just pray for you. Thank you, Miss Tammy. Thank you for saving my life. This is my testimony with Top Group Technologies. Thank you so much, Miss Tammy. Love you.